What is up, you guys? It's been a while since I've uploaded, and I do apologize about that. I know I say that like every video, but I'm still sorry. So here I have we actually moved again. We've moved like 6 times in the last year since I've been married. It's crazy. And my grandparents sold their cabin in northern Arizona, so we got this table from the cabin, and it's got these, I don't know, it like extends out on the side, and the other one comes out right here, which I don't have out right now, but I've got 4 of my 5 printers right now on this table. I actually returned my last Kingroon because I had some issues with it, but and I guess I found a better deal somewhere else too, but just want to make a quick video of that. And it's been really nice having them all in the same area. I do really recommend it because if you're running a print farm, it's really nice to have them all next to each other running at the same time. So you don't have to run between, rooms or like walk around the room. And yeah, I apologize about all the garbage that I have all over the place here. Like I said, we're moving. So, and then of course I've got my spools of filament, tons all over the place, all up in here, filament all over, lots of different colors, and laptops, lots of different laptops. Still working on those, parting them out, and so that's been actually doing pretty good. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button, even though I don't know, it might be kind of hard to like this video because it's really kind of fast. And anyway, at least subscribe so you can see my future videos, which will be better and hopefully more entertaining. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I promise I will make some better ones. We're actually going off to Georgia right now. We're leaving at like 12:47 in the morning, just after midnight. So yeah, I'll make a new video here in about a week and a half when we get back and talk about lots of 3D printing. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one.